Welcome back to Miss English AI. Often in English textbooks, conversations feel robotic. Hello, how are you? I am fine. But real life isn't like that. Real life is messy, warm, and full of feelings. Today we're going to practice the art of visiting a friend. It's casual, it's comfortable, and it's how Americans actually speak. I'm here with Ina, ready to visit a friend's house?
I am. I love these role plays. It helps me stop sounding like a robot and start sounding like me.
Exactly. So imagine the scene. It's a Sunday afternoon, you're relaxed, you knock on my door. We haven't seen each other in a while. No stiff grammar, just vibes. Let's jump straight in. No way. Ina, look at you. It's been forever. Come in, come in.
Hey, I know, right? It feels like it's been ages. Thanks for having me.
Of course, my house is your house. Seriously, throw your coat anywhere. You look great, by the way.
Aw, thanks. You too. You look rested.
Rested? I wish. I've just been hiding indoors. But hey, come sit. Can I get you anything? Coffee, juice? I think I have some sparkling water.
Honestly, just plain water would be amazing. It's surprisingly hot outside today.
Done. Ice or no ice?
Lots of ice, please. I'm melting.
Here you go. Ice cold. So, catch me up. How is life treating you? And don't just say fine. Give me the real scoop.
Thanks. The real scoop? Honestly, it's been a whirlwind. Work is crazy as usual, but I'm managing. How about you? Still working on that big project?
Don't remind me. Yeah, it's intense. But last weekend, I totally unplugged. Went hiking, turned off the phone. It was glorious.
That sounds like a dream. I need to do that. I feel like I'm glued to my screen lately.
You really should. You look a little tired around the eyes. In a caring way, I mean.
Wow, called out. But yeah, you're right. I haven't been sleeping great. Just overthinking stuff, you know?
I get that. Totally. The 3 a.m. brain spinning?
Yes, exactly. The 3 a.m. brain. It's the worst.
It is. But hey, you're here now. No work talk allowed. Just chilling. And I have a secret weapon to cheer you up.
Ooh, what is it?
I made brownies. They might be slightly burnt, but they contain chocolate.
You made brownies? Okay, forget the water. Bring the brownies.
I knew that would work. Hang on. Here, fresh out of the oven.
Oh my gosh, they smell heavenly. Paul, these are not burnt. These are perfect.
Okay. Whew, I got lucky. So, besides the lack of sleep, anything fun coming up? Any trips?
Actually, yeah, I'm thinking of visiting my parents next month. Just for a quiet weekend, home-cooked meals, you know?
Oh, nothing beats mom's cooking. That sounds lovely. You need that recharge.
I really do. What about you? Any plans to escape the city?
Not yet. I'm kind of in save money mode right now, so my vacations are mostly Netflix and my couch.
Hey, Couch Island is a great destination. Very affordable.
5-star rating. But honestly, I'm just glad you stopped by. Texts are fine, but face-to-face is just different.
It really is. I miss this. Just talking about nothing and everything.
Same. We need to do this more often. Not once every 6 months.
Agreed. Next time I'm bringing the snacks, though.
Deal. But I'm still making the coffee.
Fair enough. This is nice. I feel better already.
Good. That was the goal. Stay as long as you want.
Thanks, Paul. You're a good friend.
Right back at you, Ina. See? Did you notice the flow? We talked about being tired. We joked about burnt brownies. We shared a moment of connection. It wasn't perfect grammar. It was perfect feeling.
It felt so real. I forgot we were recording.
That's when you know you're truly speaking English. Until next time, keep it real, keep it human.
Bye, everyone.